The province of Ontario continues to face prolonged winter storm conditions as December draws to a close, with persistent lake-effect snowfall and dangerously cold temperatures dominating much of the region. A powerful Arctic air mass remains firmly in place, keeping daytime temperatures well below freezing.
Jesus. Oh, the wind is nuts. Look at that.
This entrenched cold has driven wind chill values down to extreme levels, creating harsh and uncomfortable conditions for residents. Strong winds have amplified the cold, making outdoor exposure risky and contributing to rapidly changing weather impacts across the province. Relief does not appear imminent, as forecasters indicate these frigid conditions are likely to persist in the near term. As a result, travel conditions across southern and central Ontario remain highly variable and frequently hazardous. Bands of lake-effect snow continue to stream inland from the Great Lakes, producing sudden and intense snow squalls. These narrow but powerful snow bands can develop quickly, creating whiteout conditions with little warning. Drivers on major highways and secondary roads are encountering abrupt bursts of heavy snow combined with strong gusts. Visibility can drop to near zero within minutes, making it extremely difficult to react safely while traveling. Snowbelt regions stretching from London and Kitchener-Waterloo through Barrie and surrounding communities have been repeatedly affected. The frequent passage of intense snowbands has made it challenging for motorists to maintain safe speeds and clear sightlines. In addition to heavy snowfall, powerful winds have battered many communities. Tree branches have been snapped or brought down, contributing to scattered power outages across multiple regions.
Just walking to Sienna Louise's house. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Tens of thousands of residents experienced electricity disruptions as ice accumulated on branches and damaged power lines. Repair crews have been working under difficult conditions, with snow-covered roads and ongoing storms slowing restoration efforts. In some areas, more than 1,000 customers remain without power as crews continue repairs amid active snowfall and strong winds. Utility providers have emphasized that safety concerns and weather conditions are impacting response times. the lingering effects of recent storm systems are still disrupting transportation networks. In northern Ontario, extended sections of major highways remain closed due to dangerous driving conditions and heavy snow accumulation. Road authorities warn that additional closures or restricted access are possible as drifting snow continues to build up. Travelers are urged to check conditions frequently before attempting long-distance trips. In southern Ontario's urban centers, snowplows are operating around the clock. However, constant drifting and new accumulation have hindered clearing operations and slowed overall traffic flow. Adding to the complexity, pockets of freezing rain have been reported in parts of eastern Ontario. These areas have seen surfaces coated with a thin layer of ice that refreezes overnight, increasing the risk of slips and collisions. Sidewalks, bridges, and overpasses has become especially treacherous, prompting officials to urge both pedestrians and drivers to exercise extreme caution. Many regions remain under special weather advisories for blowing snow and icy conditions. Environment officials note that the combination of persistent lake-effect snowfall and sustained cold is expected to continue through midweek. While snow intensity may ease at times, temperatures are forecast to stay well below seasonal averages, prolonging hazardous travel and winter-related disruptions across Ontario.